Hello students, good morning all of you, and myself Kishan Lal Jaiswal, and today I will start the types of quadrilateral and properties of quadrilateral. This figure is called parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. That means AB is equal to DC, AD is equal to BC. Second property, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Both opposite sides are parallel. That means AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Third property, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. That means angle A is equal to angle C, angle D is equal to angle B. Fourth property, in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. That means OD is equal to OB and OA is equal to OC. Fifth property, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if and only if one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. That means if AB and DC is parallel as well as equal, then this quadrilateral must be a parallelogram. Only one pair of sides, either AD BC or AB DC. If AD is parallel to BC as well as AD is equal to BC, then this is parallelogram. So this is the 5 properties of parallelogram. Now what is rectangle? Rectangle is a parallelogram, but rectangle have 2 more properties. Rectangle is a parallelogram. That means कि all properties of parallelograms hold here, and 2 more further properties rectangle है. What is the 2 more properties? Diagonals are equal. That means AC and BD are equal, and one angle is 90 degree. Sufficient information about rectangle. If rectangle is parallelogram, that means angle A is equal to angle C. If you can say angle A is equal to 90 degree, then angle C is also 90 degree, angle D is also 90 degree, because this is parallelogram. That means कि this line and this line is parallel, and D and A is co-interior angle, and sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. That means कि angle A is equal to 90 degree, then angle D is also 90 degree. Now what is the difference between parallelogram and rectangle? All rectangles are parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not rectangle. Because in a parallelogram, angle A, angle D, angle C, angle B is not necessary to 90 degree, and diagonals BD and AC is also not necessary to equal. Okay, now start rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Rhombus is a parallelogram. That means कि rhombus fulfill all properties of parallelogram. That means all properties of parallelogram have rhombus, but in rhombus 1 or 2 more properties hold. First property is, in rhombus all sides are equal, but in parallelogram opposite sides are only equal. That means AD is equal to BC. Not necessary to DC is equal to AD, but in rhombus all sides are equal. That means the opposite sides are also equal, as well as alternate sides also equal. Now second property is, diagonals of rhombus bisect perpendicularly. Bisect in parallelogram also, but this bisect is other way. What is other way? This bisector is perpendicularly. That means कि AC is perpendicular to DB. Now what is square? Square is a rhombus. That means कि square will fulfill all properties of rhombus, and you already know that about rhombus कि rhombus is fulfill all properties of parallelogram. That means कि square can also fulfill all the properties of parallelogram, but still square have 2 more properties. First properties, in square only all angles are 90 degree, and second properties are diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal, यानी कि BD is equal to AC, and angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is 90 degree. But in a rhombus it is not. In a rhombus, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D not necessarily to be 90 degree, and also AC diagonal and BD diagonal are not equal to each other. But in a square, diagonals are equal to each other, and angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is also 90 degree. Okay, and this square can fulfill all the properties of parallelogram, all the properties of rhombus, and as well as all the properties of rectangle also. Now What is trapezium? In a trapezium, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. That means in a quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are parallel, AB is parallel to CD. Not necessarily to be AC and BD is parallel. May be parallel, may not be parallel. But in a trapezium, one pair must be parallel to each other. That means कि this is also a trapezium, yeah, this is also fulfill the all properties of trapezium. Yes, this can fulfill all the properties of trapezium because of this is parallel to this. Of one pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other in a trapezium, and square have DC and AB is parallel, and parallelogram is also a fulfill all properties of trapezium because of AB is parallel to DC. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel to each other. Then quadrilateral will trapezium and the figure parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square have both the sides are parallel to each other. That means कि one pair of sides are also parallel to each other. That means कि all properties of trapezium fulfill rectangle, square, rhombus. Last is kite. In a kite, two pair of adjacent sides are equal, but opposite sides are not equal to each other. What is the meaning of this? AD and DC are equal to each other. AB and BC are equal to each other, but AD opposite to BC, that means कि it is not equal, and AB is also opposite to DC, that means कि AB is not equal to DC. The topic is over. Thank you.